Come test drive the 2026
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.